distinguished speaker is Ajwa, University of the Punjab Quaid-e-Azam campus.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Worthy audience, Assalamu alaikum. The topic of declamation today is the menace of corruption in Pakistan. Corruption is any dishonest or selfish deed that harms others, whereas menace is something that is a source of danger. On this basis, corruption is definitely a big, a huge, a large, a giant, a mammoth menace in Pakistan. It is like a poison that squanders government resources, deters investment, undermines democracy, fuels poverty and hunger, stunts economic growth, and much more. Because of corruption, the rich grow richer, the poor become poorer, the criminals become bolder, the innocent become the target. The criteria for education is not based on merit. Honesty gets you killed, dishonesty gets you what you want. The good are silenced, the bad are rewarded. Worthy audience, in addition to these dangers, the biggest menace of corruption in Pakistan is that we Pakistanis never accept that our corrupt acts are bad for us in our society. We just say, as far as I am doing it, it's okay to be done. I have a special setting with Allah, He'll forgive me. The word corruption is so much famous in Pakistani society that even the illiterate, uneducated people, unaware about the A, B, C, D of English, speak it with utmost confidence and perfect pronunciation, but always using it for others and never for their own acts. Worthy audience, another menace of corruption is that once a corrupt act has been done, it continues to go on and on and on, giving birth to more of its kind. A corrupt politician whose corrupt deeds increase the number of poor people forces those poor people to do more corrupt acts, and thus corruption becomes contagious, epidemic, and widespread. A beautiful quote speaking my heart on this topic says, "Corruption is worse than prostitution. If later endangers the morals of an individual, the former invariably endangers the morals of an entire country." I can bet that every person sitting in this hall has been affected and has affected others by some sort of corruption, because now corruption has become compulsory, even a part of our daily to-do list. I, being a botanist, think that if Pakistan is like a tree, then every act of corruption is just like hitting that tree with an axe. More the number of hits, lesser the survival rate of the tree, and sadly, Pakistan. At the end, I would just like to say that there is only one single solution, and that is our individual efforts to divorce this marriage of corruption, tear and throw away the chapter of corruption from our lives. If we think that Pakistan is because of Pakistanis, then Pakistanis are also because of Pakistan. Let's love Pakistan. Thank you very much.